Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Balsamic cooked mushrooms, sweet, tangy, and amazing with steak or chicken. I'm using about 350 grams of large white mushrooms. I'm cutting the mushrooms in half so each piece stays hearty and you get a nice chunk in every bite, making it easier to enjoy the mushroom flavor in every mouthful. Now I have half an onion, which we're going to cut it in half and then cut it into slices. This half onion will add a beautiful depth of flavor to this dish. As they caramelize, they'll become sweet and golden. Now I have 3 nice fresh pieces of chive, which I'm going to cut into pieces. It's always best to add the chives at the end, so they stay fresh, crunchy, and full of bright flavor. Take 2 cloves of garlic, give them a quick crush with the flat of your knife to release the oils, and then finely mince them. By crushing them first, you break the fibers, which makes this fine mince go a lot faster. Get a nonstick pan over medium to high heat, add some olive oil, followed by that fresh minced garlic. Cook the garlic a few seconds in the oil just to release the aroma. Next, in go the onions. We're going to let these cook down for a bit to start the caramelizing process and build a sweet base for our mushrooms. Time for the mushrooms. We're going to let these cook for a few minutes until they develop a beautiful golden brown sear. Now I'm adding 2 pinches of salt, but as always, season to taste. Now for the pepper, we'll go in with 2 pinches for that as well, just to give it a little kick. Now give everything a thorough toss to make sure that the salt and pepper are evenly coated. Let's add now around a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. It's going to bring to the mushrooms a nice tangy and natural sweetness. Stir that around for just a few seconds until the balsamic glazes everything beautifully. Then we'll finish it off with our fresh chives. Don't overwork them. A quick stir to incorporate the freshness, and we are ready to plate this up. And there you have it, perfectly caramelized mushrooms with that sweet balsamic finish. Like I said, this pairs perfectly with steak or chicken, and it's a side dish that your friends and family will absolutely love. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!